Hey everyone, welcome to GrowingCraft and I hope you all are doing good. Please do subscribe to my channel and let's get started with a new tutorial. Hi friends, it's Sai Sonia here and today we are going to create the next page of our this beautiful scrapbook, a beautiful birthday Shabby Chic scrapbook album. The pages are gorgeous and this is such a versatile album where it has a lot of tips and tricks for you guys to learn out there. Let's get started. This is a beautiful layout and a scrapbook page where you have beautiful magnetic lock and it gives you so much of space for your pictures and your journaling, photos and whatnot. So here I have kept it really simple, playing around with my pattern papers and of course creating with my magnets. And here I have left a lot of space for the big size pictures, which is so important. Making this page is super fun and super exciting, and now let's get started. So my base page is 14.5 by 18.5 centimeter. Just cut it, mark it and keep it aside. Here we are going to first make our flap. The first size is 10 centimeter by 18.5 centimeter and the other cardstock what we are going to have is 11 centimeter by 18.5 centimeter. So just cord at 1 centimeter from two different ends and here we are going to stick it. I have taken the two different sizes of a flap because I wanted to overlap. I didn't wanted the gatefold here. I wanted the proper overlapping of my tabs here. So here as you can see, I have just sticked it with my liquid glue. If you want, you can even use your tacky tapes too. Now it's time to add our pattern paper. So I absolutely love these gorgeous pattern papers. This is in Shabby Chic theme and a birthday theme and it makes a perfect gift for your loved ones. So here I'm done with adding my pattern paper. Once you're done with your base pattern paper sticking work, burnish it really well. Make sure it has sticked really well. Now here I have taken in two pieces of magnet and I'm going to stick it. And like I said, I wanted my pages to overlap. So here I'm going to secure first piece with the help of a tacky tape. If you want, you can use your liquid glue, but tacky tape really helps. Now here I'm going to have my another piece and this makes sticking of my magnet and placing it on my page is really easy and super fun. So here once I am done with this, I'm going to cover it up with my pattern papers. Now once you're done with sticking all the pieces, you will see that how beautiful this page has turned out to be. The magnetic locks are perfect and the pattern paper is playing so beautifully. Now I'm just going to trim off the edges of my binding. This is a ring binding, hinge binding what we have done. If you have not checked out this tutorial, you can check it on our YouTube channel and I'll also do the link in the description box. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my page to my scrapbook base. This is a very important step and I wanted to make sure that I stick it in a straight line. So here I'm going to use my tacky tape and even my liquid glue. Just align it really well and stick it well and you are so good to go. I always use my paint brushes, the flat brushes, just to spread my glue evenly and make sure that none of the spaces are left out. Once this is done with your bone folder, try to press it properly, stick it properly and this is done. This looks absolutely gorgeous and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now in this one, we are going to create a lot of different pages. Just go through the walkthrough of this tutorial now and you will love this. Do check out our other videos for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.